In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display in normal view in Excel. If your worksheet suddenly looks different, maybe you're seeing pages with margins, headers, or blue page breaks, you're likely not in normal view. Normal view is the standard editing layout in Excel. It shows a clean grid with rows and columns, no page margins, and no print boundaries, making it the most comfortable way to enter data, build formulas, and navigate large sheets. Here's how to switch back. With your workbook open, move your eyes to the very bottom right corner of the Excel window. On the status bar, just to the right of the zoom slider, you'll see a small set of view controls. They include three options: Normal, Page Layout, and Page Break Preview. Click the one labeled Normal. It's typically the leftmost icon, and it switches you immediately into the standard grid view. As soon as you click Normal, your sheet should return to a familiar look. The rulers across the top and left, common in page layout, disappear. Any blue page break lines you might see in Page Break Preview are removed from view. The grid fills the screen, and you can scroll freely without thinking about printed pages. Your data, formulas, and formatting remain exactly the same. This change affects only how the worksheet is displayed on your screen. If you click Normal and nothing appears to change, that usually means you were already in normal view. A quick way to tell the difference is this: Page Layout shows rulers and page margins, while Page Break Preview overlays thick blue lines to mark page boundaries. Normal View shows neither. If you're having trouble spotting the Normal button, check the bottom right area again and look for the small icons right beside the zoom percentage. Widening the Excel window can make those controls easier to see. You can also adjust the zoom slider to a comfortable level. Zoom doesn't affect the view mode, it just helps you see more or less of your sheet. A few quick tips as you work. Normal view is ideal for most editing tasks, especially when working with large data sets or building models. It's also generally faster to navigate than page-based views, since Excel isn't drawing print margins or page boundaries. And if you switch views while preparing to print, you can always return here with a single click. That's all there is to it. Click Normal in the lower right corner, and you're back to the clean, standard Excel workspace.